It's John, the Net Guy, and today we're checking out the Autobull Nerf Bars for your 2018 to 2024 Jeep Wrangler. These 6-inch tubular carbon steel coated steps will transform the look of your Jeep from a refined city dweller to an off-road ready machine. When you lift your Jeep, they'll look even better. These bars are very easy to self-install, so you won't even need a jack. Some simple hand tools are all that are necessary, and it mounts up to the existing holes in your frame and body panels. If you have the rock slider kit though, you can't use both, so you'll have to choose one or the other. Installation is simple and starts with removing the factory covers that bolt into the side holes. Using simple hand tools, remove the factory hardware. Once the factory mounting bolts have been removed, remove the covers. Next, align the step support brackets with the existing frame holes. No drilling is required, and you can repeat this process down the line 2 more times for the remaining step support brackets. Once all have been installed, torque the bolts to prevent loosening over time. Next, prepare the steps. The larger step opening goes towards the front of the vehicle and the mounting holes towards the vehicle. This is easiest with 2 people, though if you start one mounting bolt, you can work your way down and attach the remaining. Next, align the steps using the 2 bolts on each support for a level fit. Once aligned, torque the remaining bolts, as these prevent the step from tilting and provide a firm step. Repeat this process on the other side of the vehicle. When you're finished, you can step back and enjoy your handiwork. I wanted to thank Autobull for sending these out for a fair and honest review.